Great location to build your home. Welcome to East Lake Park. This community is convenient to I-4, I-75 and Hillsborough US 92. This is the perfect spot to build your home. You get 2 lots, Folios 0414470000 and 0414460000. This community features a private civic center with a clubhouse, private boat ramp, lake, park, playground, gazebo, BBQ grills, basketball and volleyball court. The amenities cost only $100 per year and they are paid out of your tax bill as an SDD, Special Dependent District. There are no deed restrictions. You can walk to the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino or hop on the expressway and be anywhere in Tampa Fast. Airbnb is okay here if you are looking for a great investment. This land is ready for a home. Make it yours.